What do you want? I'm sorry.
Okay, fine. Thank God. She says she's sorry.
Hello. Leave. Leave. Get out! Get out!
Ẹ má sọ anything. Gbogbo nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní ti rí.
Nígbà tí ọmọ pé àìtó oògùn là ń sóńdè mọ̀rún kí tinú ó gbénú kìtọ̀ ọmọ ìgbé ta ni. Kí ló rí lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀?
Bọ́nà ebi tó ní báde lẹ́sìn ní àbí pàtí lẹ́ǹtẹ̀ tẹ́ gbogbo yín kó nù lé tẹ́ ń pariwo tẹ́ mú tí oríṣiríṣi irú owó òun ṣe wá fi sanwó lẹ́ngbà náà.
Kò sí tó burú nù kó mọ̀ ṣe yahoo nǹkan tó kàn le jù bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé àwọn ọmọ tó wà ń ta sí tán bá ti rówó tán wọn ní kúrò sóbì lẹ́nu irun orí wọn á bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní máa dín kàrà ṣòkòtò oníṣe déédéé di wọn àwọn míì àti ẹ̀tún wá lọ fowó gba òtẹ́ wọn ní dúró nílé mọ́.
Ṣẹ́rí kásikẹ́tì tí báyìí wọ́n máa dá gbé fún yín.
wọ́n gbé kásikẹ́tì fún ọ.
Ẹ jẹ́ kí a gbàdúrà. Ní orúkọ Jésù.
ọ̀nà ìbùrú tó ń gbà yìí kọ bá fún o.
Ó túmọ̀ sí pé bọ̀dà sọ́kàn ló ti fẹ́ san lórí.
Gbangba rẹ̀ ẹkún àtòfò ní ọjà sí o.
ọlọ́pàá èwo tèpè amúnijà amúni.
It's a right. Ṣé nǹkan tó ń ṣọ́ láti sọ fún mi sí ni pé mo ṣe jókòó síwájú mi tí ń bá ń sọ.
Yọ ọlẹ̀ fún yín gbà tí ó yọ ọlẹ̀ láwọn mọ̀.
Orí ẹlẹ́mọ̀ ṣọ́ o. Are you through with that? Gentlemen, arrest them.
Lẹ́yìn bíi ọdún márùn-ún, èmi àti ìyàwó mi àtàwọn ọmọ we came to the city. Our rí kan lára àwọn relatives wa.
My baby.
Yeah?
Ó ṣe ọ̀pá àwọn people máa like mi ṣá. Ó mọ̀ àti bímọ méjì gbàtà bímọ tán la ṣe ń lọ ṣé wọn ni máa feel somehow.
Ìfẹ́ mi, èmi ló mo sọ fún ẹ pé I don't want you to be nervous. Don't be nervous. Àwọn people mi wọ́n máa like ẹ, ó sure wọ́n máa like ẹ ní ṣá. Jẹ́ kọ́kẹ́ ẹ balẹ̀ má parẹ́ sí mi lọ́rùn o. Báwo làwọn èèyàn ṣe máa ń ṣe báyìí? We were attacked by unknown gunmen.
Ọmọbìnrin kan mo lọ fall in love pẹ̀lú o.
Jáwèrè mi ò fall in love kẹ̀ ṣé òun fine mi.
You don't know say money I no dey fall in love. Ọmọ débi tí wọ́n gbé kò ti gbéṣẹ́ wà ká mẹ́sẹ̀ kan ká fi sí January kíkejì wà ní February kí wọ́n á máa ṣẹ̀wọ̀ December kò yí ẹ ní.
Ọjọ́ 22 nínú oṣù táwa yìí tó ń ṣe ọjọ́ ìṣẹ́gun tó ń bọ̀ lọ́nà kí arákùnrin àpò wá fún ṣe ọjọ́ 22.
Wá kí ló ń ṣe ẹ wọ́n ní kò ṣe olóòṣè wọ́n ní kò bàdá olóòṣè a ṣe 3 song by fire by force.
Má pariwo.
Ọjọ́ kò ṣe lẹ́lẹ̀ kò ṣe house.
Tí ẹ̀ ń wu ìwà bàjẹ́ ẹyọ kọ̀ọ̀kan la máa dẹ́kun yín.
Bá sọ fún ọ.
Mo ní máa wọ inú ìṣòkòtò bẹ́ẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀.
Ó láwọn ẹgbẹ́ wọn tí wọ́n bá rí ta, wọn ò ní mọ̀ pé òun ga yìí.
Tí ọ wá lè bí sùkúù dì yìí lọ́wọ́ àgbà yìí. Orílẹ̀-èdè mọ̀ọ́nù sọ fẹ́ pokùnso fún rẹ̀.
Ṣé kanjú kó ló lọ ní ṣe kó ló ní kọ́kọ́ lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ látàárọ̀ ni.
Tí n bá fi kọ́ ọ lọ́rùn. Ebi kọ́ ọmọ gbàdúrà níbo?
Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀?
Níbo lẹ ń lọ? Ṣé mo kó bá yín ni?
Ọ̀gá, ẹ jẹ́ sọ kankan fún yín. Ẹ jẹ́ sọ kankan. Ṣé ọlọ́mọ pílì tí mo pilẹ̀ mọ̀ wá? Ṣé ẹ lọ́yọ̀ ọmọ burúkú? Títí ní tiẹ̀. Àṣejù lójú méjì. Tẹ́yọ̀ ọkọ bá ti wà bẹ́ẹ̀ ò ti fi èyí.
Ẹ fọ. Baba, wetin dey do you? Where you now dey go?
You know me before.
Where I wan know you. I no sabi your face.
I dey here now, Oga.
You wan come enter?
Do you know me?
You be Boko Haram. You be Boko Haram. You wan enter here. You wan come kill my customer. You wan come kill our people for here. Dey go.
Do you know me?
Now wetin you want?
I saw your vacancy post, so I'm here for the job.
Vacancy. Baba, you no fit for the job.
Do
you no fit for the job?
What can you say?
I said you no fit for the job. Dey go.
Why can you say I'm not fit for the job?
Baba, you no fit for the job. Who be this one?
Oga.
You be Boko Haram. Boko Haram.
Said to you, no, the other day.
Sir, Oga.
What's going on over there?
It is this Boko Haram who enter our company.
Just let me. Well done, sir.
Wait. Don't go. Wait. Say you should come.
I beg, let me see the manager.
You don't have to be GM of this company. What did they do you?
I said you should leave me alone.
Okay, sir.
Go back to your post.
If not be say the manager no give me gun, I suppose fire this idiot. Go your house. Boko Haram people.
So, how may I help you? Yes, sir. Sir, I'm here. I saw your vacancy post, so I'm here for the job, sir.
Okay. What's your name?
My name. Oga, my name is MP, sir.
MP?
Yes, sir.
What's the meaning?
Oga, Mbako Pasca.
Mbako what?
Mbako Pasca.
So, what's your qualification?
Oga. MP, sir.
MP again?
Yes, sir.
What's the meaning?
Management philosophy, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No problem.
Yes, sir.
So, why are you looking for the job?
MP.
What's the meaning again?
Money problem, sir.
And are you sure?
Yes, sir.
So, which state are you from?
MP, sir. MP.
Another MP again?
Yes, sir.
What's the full meaning?
Maraba province, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, I see.
Yes, sir.
I see.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you know what?
Yes, sir.
I will get back to you, no problem.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Oga, what about my MP, sir?
MP again?
Yes, sir.
What's the meaning?
My performance.
Oh, I
yes,
see.
Sir.
Yes, sir. MP.
Sir. Oga, I don't get you, sir.
Mental problem.
Woo! Oh my God. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Oga, where did you name, sir?
Carrying phone give am now. Shey na your phone. I know say na girl you dey check for there.
Na girl.
Why would they check girl for person phone? Abeg carry phone give am.
Okay, wait. So if you no check girls, wetin you go check?
For there. See this girl.
Papa, you don't carry what you want.
I don't carry. Okay. You no sabi anything. There is no better life than to have like 4 girls. You see, for this life, you need babes. You need babes. You need to do the do now. If one come in the morning, one will come in the night.
God bless you, my brother. Chill, guys. Let me tell you something that you don't understand. See, there is nothing as responsible as you sticking to one partner.
Leave responsibility for another person, Jare.
Let me tell her no.
Here we go. Kenny don't start again. I dey always tell you now, I don't understand this guy, I swear.
Now.
You go, Kenny will be saying, we go there outside those tell like this when we dey school then. We go there outside like this, they wait for Kenny. Another girl go follow and enter.
I don't see now, don't hide. MP.
Oga, well done.
MP. How are you now?
Oga. What do you need again? What do you need?
Give me 1 bottle water.
Okay, Oga. Oga, what you want?
Get me 1 red wine.
Red wine. You want join red wine with this one?
Wait it be your own now. Wait it be your own. You think I want take
Bailey is allowed. Bailey.
Okay, Oga, what of it?
MP. I'm waiting day now. You tell me say you go give me babe since last week. I don't see anything. What's happening?
Oga, now you don't talk anything about that.
Oh, you dey form my hands since last week. No give me anything. If you want time today, babe plenty for this side.
I go bring them to you now.
I trust you. Don't worry, you be correct nigga. I don't sabi you from day one. Say you correct nigga.
There are plenty.
No worries, I go reason you.
Control them, make them enter.
See, now for all of us now. And tell us say give us 2 babe. You know say me now waiting all those biggie. Now which I like that. Get out. Get out. I say get out.
So you need get
for me.
I'm not the carry get. I say go.
Leave am. So how you make it
I don't even understand
now,
guy.
He's now behaving like a responsible man.
Like say we know. Like say we have no marriage. Maybe we enjoy our life.
Go into the street.
Go guys. No, cheers.
Thank you, bro.
You still want carry my own drink? Enjoy your own drink.
Don't dey vex me now. Which one be say? No be drink be this.
Hey, guys.
Shebi na make we put drink for hand.
And now
About comot here.
I went to one restaurant yesterday. Okay. I saw one babe.
Oga,
How far now?
no forget me o.
I don't go forget if I dey go, I go reason you.
Okay now.
Kenny,
a responsible married man.
So baby, what happened?
Babe, can you believe I hit a guy today?
Oh my god.
As I was coming from the club with the guys,
Okay.
I've taken a guy to the hospital.
Hope he's okay now.
He'll be fine, he's fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah, he'll discharged tomorrow.
Okay. You know what, darling? Don't think about it. Just relax, okay? You know what? Just go inside now. You can take your shower and I'll set the time for you. Okay? Okay.
They watch for this movie. They just dey sit down, they stand up. I don't too like am.
Now me know wetin dey sweet me for the movie. Beg.
I don't like am at all. I beg.
Baby nah.
Actually, I no fit touch am.
I no talk say you no fit touch am.
Hey, wetin come happen? No be my own.
Na your own I know, but you dey do like say na shama wey you thief. Wetin happen?
Shama wey I thief. Don't worry. Small time now. When night dark now, you go dey change voice. You go dey oh yeah, don't worry.
Na me dey sound like that.
Yes, na.
Na me dey sound like that.
Na so you dey sound.
Baby. Na me dey sound like that.
Of course.
Na me dey sound like that. Matter no dey now. This night na Konji go kill you.
Konji go
no
kill me.
show for you this night.
Konji go kill me. And I go shout so tell everybody wey dey for this environment go know say dem dey deny me visa.
Never reach that one.
Ajao. Wetin?
Never reach that one. You go dey shout.
I go shout.
Never reach.
I go shout.
Ajao man. See that. You know what? I want you to go inside the kitchen now. Cook my favorite meal for me.
For you?
Yes. So I'm going to give you the package.
Wow. As your lordship, please, ma.
Trust you. My husband.
Yes, Ken.
Go inside kitchen.
Kitchen? What is he doing there?
He dey plant mango tree for inside kitchen sink. Cooking, of course.
Bro. Nigga.
How far?
Fine, yeah, I was just asking of you and she said you're inside the kitchen.
Yeah, I'm inside the kitchen, I'm cooking.
You are cooking?
Yes.
And you are proud to say that you are cooking?
Of course.
Oh, come on, man. You're a grown-up man. Just take a look at yourself. You are the head of the family, you are the father in this house. And you are inside the kitchen cooking. That's not right, that's wrong.
Bro, let me tell you something. There's nothing bad in me cooking for my wife. She cook for me every blessed day. So for me cooking for her today is not a problem.
But that's wrong.
Bro, you think it's wrong? It's not wrong. Jude, will you hear the bitter fact?
Okay.
You didn't hear the form say you be the man of the house, man of the house, man of the father of the house. Whatever. She's my wife, she's not my slave. We are meant to enjoy each other. We are meant to help each other. Jude, let me tell you the bitter truth. We are married men, for goodness sake. They are our wives. They are not our slaves.
But you are not like this before. Back then when we were in school, we all know how girls used to chase you up and down. And now you are just like a slave to your wife. You're just like a slave. I'm not getting this right.
Bro, we are helping each other. Let me tell you the bitter fact. The so-called girls that do rush us that time, that was then. Now we are married. See, you have to behave like a responsible married man. And because that is who we are, let me tell you, relax. Have you seen your wife lately? She's not looking happy at all. She's a sad woman. She's not the man that we used to know back then. And you have to look into that, my brother. Instead of you coming here and start forming like a boss for a year. That one nothing do for you. You hear what they talk?
Well, no problem then. I was coming from the office, so I was like, maybe I should check on you. We're going to the club tonight. What's up?
Jude, you know what? I don't think I'll be coming to club for the next couple of days. Or let me see for the time being. So far, my wife has already dropped her modeling career for business. So I have to drop something for her as well. So bro, I don't feel like you, So, well, just take care of yourself. And my regards to the boys.
Alright.
My regards to the boys. Catch you there. Alright.
Use the hand to please.
Your friend now. Why is it so late like this? You know, sir, if you do always late. You go on top, guys. You in the late. Niggas, Alpha. No greeting. Why you come late now? I was tired. Kind of tiredness. Just leave us for here. As you say, small picking.
Where is this guy now? Maybe we order something. MP.
Order.
MP. Where is this guy now? MP. Do you have one bottle of water?
Anything where you want to go. Okay, Oga. One bottle of orange juice. Okay. So that's all. Don't want anything.
So just go. Don't worry, I will see you later. Just go get those stuff. Guys, there's this one thing I want to tell you now. I went to tennis house yesterday. You can't. As I entered, now as normal, I met his wife, Fatima. And I said, where is Kenny? Where is my friend? You know what's in talk? He thought he can take it.
Are you for?
And our wife was in the sitting room watching TV.
So you are surprised? Are you for?
I'm serious, serious.
What did you say? Nah, today. She not sabi before.
Bro, I was very disappointed.
I don't even dey surprised again. Not be today now.
Wait, why can it be like that?
Na kitchen Kenny the day now. They don't give a rule of wife.
You feel like that guy don't use them for jazz. That's just because the way he was talking, he was even talking like an imbecile. It's like get down. I'm serious.
Wait, is it the same Kenny we all know? It be like say you know Sabini. It be like that. They don't use them for jazz.
Guys.
That girl don't wash hands, give her water.
Kenny
Don't take her.
Controlled by a woman.
Guys, Kenny na apadi. You know.
And now
I ain't go to kitchen.
Could you believe what she said when I was leaving?
What she said?
Use the handle, please.
I'm serious. Like you should use the handle. And did you actually use the handle, please?
You want the entire menu?
Baba don't use handle.
Like this kind
Jude,
waiting now.
Kenny's friend. Handle user.
If you are a friend.
Wait, Kenny.
You know what to do with that big fat butt. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
See that baby? You see her now.
See, wait, me I no see him.
Come on.
You don't see her?
I no see him.
I'm waiting now. You know, say you don't get one babe yesterday. Make I carry this one.
Bro, every day now for babe. I carry babe every day.
Every day. But this one is for me. I thank you every fancy, bro. I better come down. I wait for. Otumba,
chill now.
Waiting now. Why you do like this now?
Chill. Something waiting like this now. Otumba a day for. Otumba. What should I be like this? Now Otumba.
You're mad. I swear you're mad. So you want to like, don't let me.
Big thing for big man. Don't achieve. Me not achieve. I dey come.
Sit down.
Oh yeah, wait. I go give you a number. Me now wait. I like you sit down.
I dey come. You see, you are too old for that babe.
Wait, no.
If you carry an child abuse,
Otumba, chill now.
Wait now. Why you do like this now?
Why is she not picking up my calls? Michael, what are you doing here?
I can actually see you are enjoying here.
Of course. So what's happening?
Jude, why are you always full of shit?
Shit?
Yes.
What have I done?
Why are you so dirty and you're always doing dirty things around?
Guys, come up straight. What are you trying to insinuate?
Jude, why do you go around with my girls? Shame.
I think I'm an hero.
Jude, why are you still going out with my girl, Shasha?
Now listen. I am the boss. You are just a cub of a tiger. You are still learning.
Do you think the gentility of a tiger is an act of cowardice?
So, I'm a lion, the king of the jungle. No matter the economy of the jungle, lions don't eat grass. Get that into your skull.
Jude, you've eaten grass that will send you to your grave.
Guy, I have had enough of you. Just get the fuck out of here and go to hell.
I'm definitely going to hell, but I'm going to meet you in hell.
Oh my god! Bravo! Wow! You dare pull the trigger on me? No, you dare not. Never.
Jude, this is your last life.
Yeah! Honey, what's wrong?
No problem.
Baby.
No problem.
Just creep out here.
Don't interfere, my matter. Just leave me alone.
Sakeke mo mu re bufa. Mo ra bàjà mo mu re di ọ̀pẹ. Ọ̀pẹ mi tìtì mo ṣe bójò lórọ̀. Òjò pagi lápá kan dápá kan sí òjò pa mi o mo sì paya mi Àjọkẹ́.
Ọmọ mi nù láwo. Sórí bó ṣe mọ ṣe nù kí fẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́ ìyá rẹ̀ ló dẹjọ́.
Mo ń fura sí kábíyèsí wa tuntun yìí. Mo ń fura sí
èjì, ẹ̀ta, ẹ̀rin, àrún.
Ọ̀rẹ́ mi kí ló ń kà?
Ó sì farabalẹ̀. Kọ́ fara burúkú rẹ̀ balẹ̀. Torí mo ṣe ń wọ yìí, ó fẹ́ mi tẹ̀gbẹ̀rọ̀ ọdún.
Kí mo ṣe?
Wọ́n ti sa àwọn tó lẹ́nu rẹ̀ lè já lágbárí.
Ayé yìí ọ̀wà pọ̀.
Àti ìdáyé owó ń bẹ èèyàn wà kọ́mọ jáyé nso.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ wá rí pé ìlú yìí ti ń dàrú mọ́ wa lórí.
Ìlú ń dàrú. Ṣé o mọ̀ pọ́n ti tógún òbí wọn ni? Kọ́mọ sórí bú lọ́nù yà káwa sì mọ gbàgbọ́ lọ́n tí a.
ẹ̀kẹ́ náà yà wá ẹ sọ mi.
níbo ló wá ti ń bọ̀ pẹ̀lú ẹrù sùn lórí lákòókò yìí.
ìyàwó ẹbí náà mò ń bọ̀ ìyá ọlẹ́kẹ̀ náà ní gbèsè fún yín ipẹ́ ìsìnkú palẹ̀ mọ́ ọdún tó ti ń bọ̀ lọ́nà.
bàbá èwo tún là ń bi falẹ́rẹ̀ sí gbogbo wa la mọ̀ pé bá a bá mú ṣàkọ̀tún bá a mú ṣàkòsì ìṣàkóṣà báyìí náà ló tún kù àgbọ́lágadé la mọ̀ pé ó kàn lẹ́yìn adéoyè a ní ẹjọ́ fagbọ́lágadé kó borí tẹ bàbá rẹ̀ kàkàkà kúrò àpò lẹ́kọ̀ọ́.
Àlàkẹ́ bọ́ àyín gbogbo kinní tí mo sì ń wò náà ẹnu ẹ̀ ní ń gbára wọn yìí tó bá tú kinní lé ọ̀kankan jórí mi lọ.
lórí rẹ̀ ọ̀gbálẹ̀.
súnmọ́ ibi kẹ́mi àti ẹ̀ náà ká sọ kinní dòótọ́.
ṣé àbíta ló àti gbé su wa dẹ́wù yìí ló gbé su wa sáwà gbé sunu lé mi kò jẹ́ àmọ́ jẹ́ su lọ. ìyá mi ẹ tún ti gba su lọ́wọ́ déwù yìí tẹ bá ti gbà tó bá ti lẹ́yìn kò sí ní tó kàn mí bẹ́ẹ̀ o.
ẹ wo ẹ̀yin báyìí ní ìṣèṣe kan tèmi kò yí padà ẹja bí falẹ́rẹ̀ kí bá tọ́ka sẹ́ni tó yẹ kàn tẹ bá wá ní ẹ̀ní gbọ́ èmi ọ̀tún tó ò ní gbà ọ̀tún ò ní gbà ọ̀tún.
Yes, kí ló fẹ́? What do you want? I'm sorry.
Okay, fine. Thank God. She says she's sorry.
Hello. Leave. Leave. Get out! Get out!
Ẹ má sọ anything. Gbogbo nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní ti rí.
nígbà tí ọmọ pé àìtó oògùn là ń sóńde mọ̀ọ́rùn kí tinú ó gbénú kìtọ̀ ọmọ ìgbé ta ni. kí ló rí lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀.
Bọ́nà ebi tó ní báde lẹ́sìn ní àbí pàtí lẹ́ǹtẹ̀ tẹ́ gbogbo yín kó òun lé tẹ́ ń pariwo tẹ́ mú tí oríṣiríṣi irú owó òun ṣé wàá fi sanwó lẹ́ngbà náà.
kò sí ní tó burú nù kó mọ̀ ṣe yahoo nǹkan tó kàn le jù bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé àwọn ọmọ tó máa ń ta sí tán bá ti rówó tán wọn ní kúrò sóbì lẹ́nu irun orí wọn á bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní máa dín kára ṣòkòtò oníṣe déédéé di wọn àwọn míì àti ẹ̀tún wọn lọ fowó gba òtẹ́ wọn ní dúró nílé mọ́.
Cherry casket tí báyìí wọ́n máa dá gbé fún yín.
wọ́n gbé casket fún ọ.
Ẹ jẹ́ kí a gbàdúrà. Ní orúkọ Jésù.
ọ̀nà ẹ̀bùrú tó ń gbà yìí kọ bá fún o.
Ó túmọ̀ sí pé broda Super mi ò tó fẹ́ sun lórí.
gbangba rẹ̀ ẹkún àtòfò ní ọjà sí o.
ọlọ́pàá èwo tèpè amúnijà amúni.
It's right. Ṣé nǹkan tó ń ṣọ́ láti sọ fún mi sí ni pé mo ṣe jókòó síwájú mi tí ń bá mi sọ.
yọ ọ́ lẹ̀ fún yín gbà tí ó yọ ọ́ lẹ̀ láwọn mọ̀.
Orí ẹlẹ́mọ̀ ṣọ́ o. Are you through with that? Gentlemen, arrest them.
lẹ́yìn bíi ọdún márùn-ún èmi àti ìyàwó mi àtàwọn ọmọ we came to the city àwa rí kan lára àwọn relatives wa.
my baby ó ṣe ọ̀pá àwọn pípọ̀ ẹ̀ máa like mi ṣá ó mọ̀ á ti bímọ méjì gbàtà bímọ tán la ṣe ń lọ ṣé wọn ni máa feel someone.
ìfẹ́ mi èmi ló mo sọ fún ẹ pé I don't want you to be nervous. Don't be nervous. Àwọn people mi wọ́n máa like ẹ, ó sure wọ́n máa like ẹ ní ṣá. Jẹ́ kó kẹ́ ẹ balẹ̀, má parẹ́ sí mi lọ́rùn o. Báwo làwọn èèyàn ṣe máa ń sùn báyìí? Ṣé ìtumọ̀ yẹn sì? We were attacked by unknown gunmen. Ìyàwó ni wọ́n fà wọ́n.
ọmọbìnrin kan mo lọ fall in love pẹ̀lú o.
jábìrì mi ò fall in love kẹ̀ ṣé òun fine.
you no know say mani I no dey fall in love. ọmọdé mi ti ń wò pé kò ti gbéṣẹ́ wà ká mẹ́sẹ̀ kan ká fi sí January kíkejì wà ní February kí wọ́n má ṣẹ̀wọ̀ December kò yí ẹ ní.
ọjọ́ kejìdínlógún nínú oṣù táwa yìí tó ń ṣe ọjọ́ ìṣẹ́gun tó ń bọ̀ lọ́nà kí arákùnrin àpò wá fún ṣe.
ọjọ́ kejìdínlógún.
wá kí ló ń ṣe wọ́n ní kò ṣe olóòṣè wọ́n ní kò gbàlẹ́ olóòṣè a ṣe 3 sàn by fire by force.
má pariwo.
ọjọ́ kò ṣe lẹ́lẹ̀ kò ṣe house.
ìwà bàjẹ́ ẹyọ kọ̀ọ̀kan la máa dẹ́kun yín.
sọ fún ọ mo ní máa wọnú ṣòkòtò báyìí tẹ́lẹ̀ ó láwọn ẹgbẹ́ wọn tí wọ́n bá rin ta wọn ò ní mọ̀ pé òun ga yìí.
tí ọwọ́ àdìbí sùkú dì í lọ́wọ́ àgbà yìí orílẹ̀-èdè mọ̀ọ́nù sọ fẹ́ pokùnso fún rẹ̀.
ṣẹ́kànjú kó ló lọ ní ṣe bí kó ló ní kọ́kọ́ lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ látàárọ̀ ni.
tí n bá fi kọ́ ọ lọ́rùn tí n bá fi kọ́ ọ lọ́rùn.
ọ̀gá. ẹbí kan ọmọ gbádùn níbo.
kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀.
níbo lẹ ń lọ ṣé mo kó bá yín ni.
ọ̀gá ẹ jẹ́ sọ kankan fún yín ẹ jẹ́ sọ kankan ṣé ẹ lọ́mọ pílì tí mo pilẹ̀ mọ́ wá ẹ lọ́yọ̀ ọmọ burúkú títí ní tiẹ̀ àṣejù lójú méjì tẹ́yọ̀ kan bá ti wà bẹ́ẹ̀ ò ti tẹ̀.
ẹ fọ.
Miriam, thank you. Sorry for keeping you waiting. So, what happened?
I don't know where to start from. My marriage is crushing. My husband has changed. He used to be this nice guy, the dream of every other girl. We loved each other so much while we were dating, but right now I'm just regretting why I married him. He has totally changed. He's now like, he behaves like an animal. He does so many things that is just like out of a responsible man behavior. Like
I understand.
You don't experience that in life.
I understand. Just calm down. What do you notice? Like, what do you think is happening?
That's just that I don't know.
I mean, it's not meant to act like that.
Yeah, it's like I'm doing everything right to keep my marriage. I'm doing everything, but
darling, it's okay. It's okay.
I'm trying my best.
Sorry, darling. Sorry. Just take it easy, okay?
Oh my God.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Please, don't hurt yourself. Huh? It's okay. Just take it easy. You understand?
Oh
like,
my God.
I just want you to do something for me. Please. No matter anything, no matter whatever is happening, please, just make yourself happy. Everything's going to be fine.
When, like,
you know,
when I don't know. I don't understand.
Darling, take it easy. It's okay. Just calm down. Calm down.
Oh my God. Why me? It's really hurting me.
Calm down. It's okay. Huh? Everything's gonna be fine.
This one we talk to you no enter. Things up now.
No just dey outside like this so much. Otumba, where your wife?
She dey inside. No show me we enter.
Enter key. Hope say she no dey anywhere near. Otumba, something they do.
I don't understand what they talk on phone.
Ah? Remember that Sasha gay?
I sabi Sasha now.
You say I the babe.
Yeah, I know today we dey girls now. I know you big tea now.
No, now you say every day now. I just dey come back from hospital.
Sure. What happened?
I get STD from this same Sasha.
STD.
Ah?
Sasha.
So you never know the babe.
What thing they talk? This girl no like Savina.
Otumba, I know they happy. You see the guy expensive job is inside my car.
Wala don't think.
Otumba, many.
So now wala.
Otumba.
You go up and
make everybody carry your own cross new. Yeah, they carry my own cross.
This man, you know you say anything.
She no dey.
I'm not sure she dey inside.
Yeah, come here. I didn't even go see her. I did go.
No she. As I dey come outside, I go tell her I wan go see you. She get at the hospital like that.
Hospital.
No time. Wala don't hear. No time. Yeah, now she go see now. No. Sorry now. Treat yourself well now. God. Darling.
Jude, what's wrong? Jude!
Yes.
Jude!
Yes.
What's wrong?
I'm fine.
Jude!
I'm fine.
Jude! What's wrong? What's wrong?
I'm fine.
I said what's wrong?
I said I'm
You
fine.
can't tell me you are fine when I heard you scream.
What's your problem?
You are my problem. You are my husband and I have the right to know whatever is wrong with you. So tell me what's wrong with you.
I'm good.
Hey, please, don't tell me you are good. You are not good, so tell me what's wrong with you.
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Listen, woman, when I talk to you, you listen.
You can't tell me to listen because I know there's something wrong with you. So you should be ready to tell me what's wrong with you.
Seems you are not alright at all, Abi.
Of course I'm fine. Hello, Mr. Man. Hey, please. What is wrong with you?
Are you talking to me like that?
Are you? You are the one. Don't do this to me again.
Don't talk to me like that.
I'm talking to you.
Are you
to me?
Are you okay?
I'm okay. I'm fine.
Are you fine?
I'm fine. I'm fine.
When I talk to you, listen.
I'm fine.
Oh, you want to know? Is it because you are fat, Abi?
I'm not.
You will see. You will see problem this night. I'm ready for you.
I'm not.
You will see. You will see problem this night. I will beat the hell out of you. I will beat you. I will beat you. I will beat the hell out of your life. I regret the day I met you.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
marriage is by force. Everything is by choice. Please stop calling me. Get out of my phone, idiot. Nothing.
You don't tell me.
I said nothing.
I just want you to talk to me. You just received the call now. Are you not pissed? I'm your wife.
Please, I don't want that. What's your problem now?
No, you can't tell me nothing happened. You just received the call now. Are you not pissed on the phone?
Shut up! Shut up! Ah! What is that?
Hello, Miriam.
Hello, Fatima. I'm suffered. Oh my God.
What happened?
My husband just beats me up right now.
No, Miriam, no. Stop that.
I'm serious. Oh my God.
Talk to me. What happened? What's the problem?
Okay. I just heard him screaming while peeing. And I asked as a wife that was wrong my husband. And he just started nagging and he ended up beating me up.
Actually, same thing happened here not quite long. My husband almost beats me up because of something that doesn't even want it. I don't understand.
My husband beats me up. Oh my God.
Try to see a doctor. Go to the hospital.
No problem. Okay. I'll do that tomorrow.
I'll come tomorrow to check on you.
No problem. I'll be expecting. No problem. Thank you, dear.
Okay, dear. Alright. Yeah, bye.
Alright. Okay. Bye. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Jude, where are you? Jude, where are you? Where is this man? Like, I have to know where you are today. You are in trouble with me today. Like, seriously. Oh my God. Where are you? Jude! Useless man. Where are you? You better come out. I've been looking for you all over the house. You man, this is where you are. What? Hey, don't tell me to listen. Look at what you have done. Look at what you have done. Man, you have been me today. This is where you are sitting down. Look at how you have caused me. Look at what you have caused me. Look at what you have done. Stupid man, get up. I'm going to kill you today. It's today that you will die. Get up. Jude. Hey, Jude. Honey, baby, get up. Oh my God. Okay. Oh my God. Oh my God. I will literally get up. Hey! Hey! Jude. 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 Hey. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Oh. Baby. Hello? Yeah. Hello? Yeah, please, there's an emergency. My husband just slumped. Let me go. Yeah. Okay.
fine now. Babe. Babe. You don't have to do this now. Okay, I'm sorry. It's just a transfer of aggression.
Why do you have to transfer your aggression? Eh? Answer me. Why do you have to transfer your aggression?
It's very true. Please, it will never happen again. I promise you, it will never happen again. You know I love you.
You don't.
Babe, I love you. I know you love me too. I promise you, it will never happen again. I swear. Babe, it's okay. No, we didn't start like this. Baby, I'm sorry. It will never happen again. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright.
I was just playing a prank on you.
Prank on me? Are you for real? Going back,
Good day, Mr. Kenny and Mr. Michael. You kept me waiting for too long, but now that I'm seeing you, I don't think we should go in there. We can talk here as well.
You understand the situation?
I won't lie to you. He's in a very critical condition due to his self-medications. You see, I will advise you young men to please don't take your medical checkup with levity hands. Make sure you go for medical checkup always. And your friend contacted STD due to keeping of multiple partners, which I'm very sure that's what happened with what he told me the last time. I've seen the drug he's been using. Those drugs are bad for him. They are bad for his health. You are his friends. You neglected him. You stigmatized yourself from him. It's very bad. It's not good enough.
Doctor, please, how can we stop spreading STDs?
To prevent getting sexually transmitted diseases, you have to stop having sex with multiple partners. And if you have sex with multiple partners, then you must use a condom. And please, always stay with your friend. He needs your help more than ever now. Please, just stay with him and show him some love. Let him know he's loved by you.
Can we check on him now?
You can check on him now because he needs some rest. Maybe like in the next 1 or 2 hours you can check on him.
No problem, sir.
I'll go for lunch now. Would you like to follow me?
No problem, sir.
Let's go. Alright. Thank you for coming.
My country enjoy for our company.
That's what you enjoy before.
Fuck this guy.
Muda! Sir! Oga!
I sent someone to call you the other time. Why did you come?
Oga, it's him, I don't know.
Nah, you, Joe.
It's him.
Muda, I've been warning you since. If you're not careful enough, I will send you to this place.
Oga.
And you?
Oga, yes, sir. You know?
The last time you came here,
yes, sir.
You remember I asked you some few questions. If you're not careful as well, seriously, I will send you out.
Sir?
So, well, no problem. The reason why I called the two of you is that what I want from you is customer satisfaction. Satisfy our customer very well, so they will come next time.
Okay, sir.
Well, Thanks to you. You are very jovial.
Oga, thank you.
So just keep it up, okay?
Thank you, sir.
Keep it up.
Oga, but make my, you know, okay, Oga.
I mean to Oga. If they think be body well, I go.
Don't worry, mother.
Take care of yourself, okay?
Thank you, Oga.
Yes, kilo be. What do you want? I'm sorry.
Okay, fine. Thank God. She says she's sorry.
Hello. Leave. Leave. Get out! Get out!
I'm not sorry anything. You won't come to share them with you.
Nígbà tí ọmọ pé àìtó oògùn là ń sóńde mọ̀ọ́rùn kí tinú ó gbénú kí tọmọ gbé ta ni. Kí ló rí lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀?
Bọ́nà ebi tó ní báde lẹ́sìn ní àbí pàtí lẹ́ǹtẹ̀ tẹ́ gbogbo yín kó nù lé tẹ́ ń pariwo tẹ́ mú tí oríṣiríṣi irú owó òun ṣe wá fi sanwó lẹ́gbàá náà.
kò sí ní tó burú nù kó mọ̀ ṣe yahoo nǹkan tó kàn le jù bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé àwọn ọmọ tó máa ń ta sí tán bá ti rówó tán wọn ní kúrò sóbì lẹ́nu irun orí wọn á bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní máa dín kára ṣòkòtò oníṣe déédéé di wọn àwọn míì àti ẹ̀tún wọn lọ fowó gba òtẹ́ wọn ní dúró nílé mọ́.
ṣẹ́rí kásikẹ́tì tí báyìí wọ́n máa dá gbé fún yín.
Wọ́n gbé kásikẹ́tì fún ọ.
Ẹ jẹ́ kí a gbàdúrà. Ní orúkọ Jésù.
ọ̀nà ìbùrú tó ń gbà yìí kọ bá fún o.
Ó túmọ̀ sí pé broda sọ́kàn mi ò tó fẹ́ sun lórí.
gbangba rẹ̀ ẹkún àtòfò ní ọjà sí o.
ọlọ́pàá èwo tèpè amúnijà amúni.
It's a right. Ṣé nǹkan tó ń ṣọ́ láti sọ fún mi sí ni pé mo ṣe jókòó síwájú mi tí ń bá mi sọ.
Yọ ọlẹ̀ fún yín gbà tí ó yọ ọlẹ̀ la ò mọ̀.
Orí ẹlẹ́mọ̀ ṣọ́ o. Are you through with that? Gentlemen, arrest them.
Lẹ́yìn bíi ọdún márùn-ún, èmi àti ìyàwó mi àtàwọn ọmọ we came to the city. Our rí kan lára àwọn relatives wa.
My baby.
Yeah?
Ó ṣe ọ̀pá àwọn people máa like mi ṣá. Ó mọ̀ àti bímọ méjì gbàtà bímọ tán la ṣe ń lọ ṣé wọn ni máa feel someone.
Ìfẹ́ mi, èmi ló mo sọ fún ẹ pé I don't want you to be nervous. Don't be nervous. Àwọn people mi wọ́n máa like ẹ, ó sure wọ́n máa like ẹ ní ṣá. Jẹ́ kọ́kàn ẹ balẹ̀, má parẹ́ sí mi lọ́rùn o. Báwo làwọn èèyàn ṣe máa ń ṣe báyìí? Ṣé ló ń gbà báyìí? Àdàbẹ̀ ìtumọ̀ yẹn sì. We were attacked by unknown gunmen. Wọ́n pa ìyàwó mi, wọ́n pa àwọn.
Ọmọbìnrin kan mo lọ fall in love pẹ̀lú o. Ìjà obìnrin mi ò fall in love kẹ̀ ṣó ń wáìn mi.
You don't know say money I no dey fall in love. Ọmọdé mi ti ń wò pé kò ti gbéṣẹ́ wà ká mẹ́sẹ̀ kan ká fi sí January kíkejì wà ní February kí wọ́n á máa ṣẹ̀wọ̀ December kò yí ẹ ní.
Ọjọ́ kejìdínlógún nínú oṣù táwa yìí tó ń ṣe ọjọ́ ìṣẹ́gun tó ń bọ̀ lọ́nà kí arákùnrin àpò wá fún ṣe.
Ọjọ́ kejìdínlógún.
Wá kí ló ń ṣe wọ́n ní kò ṣe olóòṣè wọ́n ní kò bàdá olóòṣè a ṣe threesome by fire by force.
Má pariwo.
Ọjọ́ kò ṣe lẹ́lẹ̀ kò ṣe house.
Tí ẹ̀ ń wu ìwà bàjẹ́ ẹyọ kọ̀ọ̀kan la máa dẹ́kun yín.
So fear for a young boy of my age, dealing with a traumatized mother who lost
was the breadwinner to the recent event that took everything away.
Just when a caterpillar thought it was over, it became a butterfly.
Stop one! You destroy everything we had. You destroy our family. You kill our family.
Sir, we got mail from Olympus, sir.
Oh, interesting.
And they needed amenities and are meant to deploy immediately, sir.
But maybe, why they do like this? Why they do like Judas? You they mad?
Anyhow, I must find a means of survival.
Assassinate what?
Just an idea.
Friday. Ha! We saw it all.
I know someday nature will smile at me. And everything is going to be alright.
Láṣọ tó rẹ̀ lákọ́kọ́ wò. Máma ní kí n lọ máa kọ́ṣẹ́ kápítà. Àbọ̀dẹ́tì sọ̀rọ̀ bọ́jà bẹ̀rẹ̀. Bá sọ fún ọ, mo ní máa wọ orú ìṣòkòtò bẹ́ẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀. Ó láwọn ẹgbẹ́ wọn tí wọ́n bá rin ta, wọn ò ní mọ̀ pé òun ga yìí.
Tí ẹ wá lè fi súkú dì í lọ́wọ́ ajá yìí. Oláìdè mọ̀ọ́nù sọ fẹ́ pokùnso fún rẹ̀.
Ṣẹ́kanjú kó ló lọ ní ṣe kó ló ní kọ́kọ́ lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ látàárọ̀ ni.
Tí n bá fi kọ́ ọ lọ́rùn, tí n bá fi kọ́ ọ lọ́rùn.
Ọ̀gá.
Ebi kọ́ ọmọ gbàdúrà níbo?
Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀?
Níbo lẹ ń lọ? Ṣé mo kó bá yín ni?
Ọ̀gá, ẹ jẹ́ sọ kankan fún yín. Ẹ jẹ́ sọ kankan. Ṣé ẹ lọ́mọ pílì tí mo pilẹ̀ mọ̀ wá? Ẹ lọ́yọ̀ ọmọ burúkú. Títí ní tiẹ̀. Àṣejù lójú méjì. Tẹ́yọ̀ kọ́ bá ti wà bẹ́ẹ̀ ò ti lè.
Ẹ fọ̀.